Unit 3 Disease Detectives. Recent technological changes are making modern medicine a more popular and exciting field than ever before. First, new technology is now available to modern disease detectives, doctors and scientists who are putting together clues to solve medical mysteries. That is, to find out the answer to questions of health and sickness. Second, knowledge of genetics may prevent or cure both defects and genetic illness. Third, successful transplant of the heart, liver, kidney, and other organs of the body are much more common than they were 10 or 20 years ago. Modern disease detectives include microbiologists, epidemiologists, and other scientists who try to find out the reason for an epidemic, a sickness that many people in one region have. These experts talk to people who have the disease and ask many questions such as what do you eat most often? How often you do wash your hands? Do you use drugs? They explain kitchens, bathrooms, and air conditioning systems. Then they study the outside environment, soil, plants, rivers and lakes, areas for animals, and so on. For clues that might give them information about disease. They share the information that they find with laboratory scientists who have the benefits of microscopes and computers together. These disease detectives work to find the causes of modern killer disease. What are genes, and why are disease detectives always trying to find out more about them? Genes are part of the nucleus of every cell. In the form of DNA, this genetic material determines the characteristics of every living thing, every plant, animal, and human being. Medical geneticists are scientists who study DNA and genes for many purposes. 1. To learn how organisms such as bacteria and viruses cause illness. 2. To detect the gene or combination of genes that cause inherited diseases. 3. To understand the gene changes that lead to both defects or genetic illness. 4. To change gene structure and thus prevent or cure genetic diseases. And 5. To improve the chance of success on organ transplants. For those and other reasons, genetics is an important part of modern science and medicine. Organ transplants are more common today than ever before because of modern technology. Moreover, they are more successful now than they were in the past. In other words, people with a new heart, liver, or kidney can live much longer than they used to previously. Not long ago, transplant patients often die after a few days because their bodies fought against the new organ. New drugs, however, now help the human body to accept a new part. In addition, knowledge of genes and DNA increase the possibility of successful organ transplants. As a result, doctor can try to match the characteristics of the organ donor and the receiver. In addition, scientists can change genes. Not only can they change the structure of the DNA, but they can also put genes from one organism into other. In the future, therefore, scientists may put human genes into pig or other animals, and farmers may raise animals for the purpose of organ transplants for humans.